Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. It's gonna be a RC car unboxing. As you can see, it's right there, the RC cars. So these are the Extreme Machines SRT Viper. You have to be 8 years old and up to drive a car, play with this car, and it has a 2.4 mHz. I don't know what that is, and it has a 7.2 V battery pack included, and it has headlights and tail lights, and it includes a USB charger to charge this. So we're going to be unboxing these with my little brother. Yeah. Which one do you want, buddy?
The black one.
Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing the blue one, and he's gonna be unboxing the black one, and we're going to go to our local park and we're going to race them. So me and my brother, my little brother, and my dad will be on the red team because they're gonna open this box together, and we're gonna open me and my mom will be opening the blue box, so the blue RC car. So we're gonna be racing them, and we're gonna see who wins. So I'm gonna open the car. There's 2 pieces of tape. You just basically open this. If I can get the scissors.
Jim, could you unbox mine too?
No, you can unbox yours in a different time, okay, buddy?
Okay.
Like, not now.
I'm so excited.
What else? Is there any other tape? No, there isn't. Alright guys, so we just unboxed everything, and it was really hard to unbox the RC cars because they had screws in them. So the RC car came with a remote control, and it came with a battery for the car, which you plug in here. And the good thing about the battery is that you don't have to consistently buy this. You can just recharge the battery. And then these are the 2 batteries came for inside the RC car, inside the RC box for the RC controller. Then it came with the USB cable or USB charger to charge the battery, the RC battery, for like this, and you connect it to any Android or iOS charger. And then, if I can take this out, never mind. Okay, and then, I bought this for $30 each, so it was a total of $60. So we're going to charge the batteries, which is about an hour, maybe hour or 30 minutes, and then we're gonna head to the park and we're gonna test these guys out. Okay, I'll see you guys when we get to the park. Alright guys, so we are at our local park and to test out the RC cars. We are with my family and we are going to race the cars. We're going to test them out. We're gonna hopefully have fun, and hopefully it doesn't get dark so quickly. So we brought the red RC car. We brought them inside bags, and we brought the RC cars. It took about 30 minutes to charge them. We're gonna get them out and we're gonna race them. So I'll see you guys when we get them out. Okay, so basically,
no,
put
put the bags in the side. Put the car properly.
So basically, there's a switch. You on the remote, and then you see this. There's a switch over here, and you on this, and it just does that. So it's it's ready. Then there you go. You're all ready. So we're going to do that, and we're going to race with me and my brother, and I'll update you guys after the race. Okay, so we just on both of the cars, and we just took them out. So the blue team is Ryan, my little brother. Yeah, who you think is? And then the red team is
Is
me.
it red or black?
Red and black, I mean, because it is me, of course, and yeah. So I want to see who wins.
So you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, pick up the remote control, Ryan.
Ready?
Ready?
Ready, go!
come back.
Oh, you can do it.
That was so cool.
Why are you going so far, you know?
This is so fun.
You're stuck in that thing. They're stuck. Something is stuck in the tire. On your tire. Tire.
Sorry.
Oh, where are you going, buddy? Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it come back. Oh, there's too much. He's gonna go in the middle. It's good, yeah, it's good.
I love it because when the signal to the remote control car to the remote controller, it's so like when I go so far away, it still works. The signal is so strong. Like you can see, I'm so far away, and I can still move it forward and turn properly. That's so cool about it.
Bring it back then. Bring it back. Let me see. Bring it back.
See, the signal gets stronger sometimes, and it's so cool.
I see the lights too. It's the back
Yeah,
lights.
it has headlights in the night too. It looks so cool. And it can handle any terrain, to be honest, because this is kind of a rough land because it has all these acorns and everything, and it can still drive really well.
And it's only how much?
It's only $30.
$30.
I totally recommend this to anyone who's just starting to drive a remote control.
Here, bring it back. Bring it back.
Oh my god.
Oh, so it's just so bumpy, you know?
I know, but it still handles it so well. I don't know how though.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. Go back. Go to the right.
I'm gonna Ryan. Ryan, I'm coming! Wait, stop, don't move. I'm gonna do a donut around you. Ryan, don't move. Don't move, I'll do a donut.
Oh, what happened, right? What happened?
Something
It's
they got
moving.
stuck.
Something got stuck over there. Can you? Take it up, take it up.
It's good, it's good.
It's good.
He's just doing it slowly.
Good, good, good. Ryan, what do you think, buddy? You like it? You like it?
It's cool, Ryan?
Yeah, but you, Dada.
Hold on.
Something is stuck.
Ryan, can you move it? The remote control. Not down, the other one.
It's good.
Don't like rock it.
What's in the back it's about to finish, that shouldn't work.
Look at mine.
So what do you think about the video? Or what do you think about the car?
I think it's an amazing car. It's amazing, to be honest. The signal is so strong with the car and the remote control. Also, it doesn't take too long to charge it, and it can last for a really long time. So like, I've charged this maybe 30 minutes and it's still going pretty fast. It goes really fast, and it's really smooth on rough terrain and any terrain, to be honest. But yeah, I think it's just honestly a great car. I would totally recommend this to anyone who wants to buy it. And yeah, we're gonna finish playing up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and please like the video. Comment down below of what you want to see, and I have tons of new videos coming out soon, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
That's not so